keep telling them too. I keep telling them.
Hello friends! Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, which isn't really every day because I don't do my makeup every day, but when I do my makeup, I said do. But when I do my makeup, this is basically what I do. Also, it looks like I don't have a shirt on, but I do. So yeah, I don't do this like obviously exact same thing every day because I would get bored of that, but this is like my go-to. It seems to be working out. I don't know. It seems fine. I'm not a makeup artist, but it works. So here is the video. So I put moisturizer on. Sorry, I'm looking at the monitor, the screen a lot. The viewfinder, but I'm trying to see if I'm still in the screen. And I'm gonna start with some baby skin. I've literally had this bottle for a long time. And this is just gonna be my whole face primer. Sometimes I use like another primer and then just use this like on my nose and stuff, but I just want to use this everywhere today. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream, and I got the shades medium and light medium and I just mixed them. I'm using my Morphe Y6, and I don't really like full coverage, but this just like evened out my skin. Also, I'm like not good at makeup, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but I needed a video to do this week. I'm like, hey, I'm doing my makeup. Also, this is going up a day late, so I'm sorry about that. So today we're just going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Wait, is baby skin Maybelline? Maybelline, sponsor me. So I just put that up there, and then I take a little brush like this and just blend it out. Or I use my finger. Also, I apologize about the setup. This is the best lighting. Yeah, and I just have like a little like stand tripod thing that it's kind of hard because right now it's on like a little ledge but like in front of my window. I have to get a microphone too. Now I usually just do like a matte kind of thing, neutral colors. So I have the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. So I'm just going to be taking this little flat / fluffy brush. I'm just going to take Heaven, which is the white. Just put that all over. This is my favorite freaking blending brush. The Morphe Y19. I'm gonna take the shade Honey Butter. Let's put that in the crease and blend. I got this brush at the Morphe store when I met Jeffree Star, and that was an experience and a half. If y'all want like a story time video on that or something, let me know. That was an experience. I'm always taking video suggestions. Although I have October completely planned with video ideas, I need some video ideas for November, so hit your girl up. So this is just a random brush from a set off Amazon, but it works well. It's kind of like a, I don't know. I'm gonna take Chocolate Cookie, which is slightly darker than, a lot darker than Honey Butter. I'm gonna put this on the outside. This looks really bad. This looks really bad. This looks really bad. Okay. And then eventually you just get to a point where you're like, that's all I can do right now. That's as much as my ability allows me to succeed. And usually for me, it's not very much. Right now, this looks okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let's go on to the brows, I guess. Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 3.5. I'm a half size bitch. But I haven't got my brows waxed in literally like over a year. So now I just do them myself. And if they look really bad, I hope someone will tell me. If you did not have a bad eyebrow phase, I don't know if I trust you. And then I'm taking this clear eyebrow gel. This is from Ardell, but I just got it off of Amazon because I didn't I don't want to go to the store. Next, we're gonna go into concealer. So I'm using this little NARS, I think this is the Creamy Radiance Concealer in Vanilla, and this might be a little too light for me. I think it is. And then I don't feel like wetting my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna use this brush again, which honestly still works. I'm also using the viewfinder as like a mirror, so don't be mad at me that I'm like looking at it so much and not at you. I'm sorry that I'm not looking at you. I'm sorry. God, don't be mad at me. Girl, I don't know how to contour my nose. Wow, the camera makes me look a lot brighter than I actually am. Next, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Cocoa Contour. Everybody puts this in their like my old favorites, but like I still like it. This is a Real Techniques, it's called Base Shadow. I use this to contour my nose. And you guys will see I'm not good at contouring my nose, but I really try because my nose is ugly. When I'm lazy, just always. I just take the brush that I've had all my concealer on. I just kind of go over it. It's acceptable. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder. I've also had this for eternities. And take my Real Techniques contour brush. I never use brushes for what they are. And this is going to set. I'm going to set my face with this brush. Next, we're going to bronze the face with this random Luxie brush I got in an Ipsy. How's that look, ladies? Yeah, I don't wear a lot of blush, but I'm trying to wear it more because it's really pretty. This is the Pixie and Aspen Ovard blush in Rome Rose. I don't even know if they still make this. Next, we're gonna highlight a little bit. Not that much. I don't feel like going too crazy with highlight today. So I'm gonna take the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. Wow. But sometimes I put a little bit on the tip just to, I think it's cute. Going back to the eyes, I'm taking this little pointy brush and taking a little bit of honey butter and chocolate cookie. We're gonna put this under my eyes. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes, but I'm not gonna show you that because I have to get really close to the camera for that. Okay, they're curled. Sorry friends, I do not do eyeliner. I'm not about that life. So I'm taking They're Real by Benefit. This is my favorite. Those are the top lashes, and then for the bottom lashes I use the Rocket from Maybelline. Again, Maybelline, hit me up, girl. This is the waterproof Rocket. We're almost done, people. For my inner corners, I go back to this pencil brush and I take this broken, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's by NYX and it's called Girl Talk. Sometimes if I can do it, I take like my highlighter brush and dip it into here and use it as my highlighter. And last but not least, we need some setting spray. So I alternate, but right now I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish. Spray it till you're doused. For lips, I'm just going to put on this little mini Tarte called Bellini. So here's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on my social medias. I'm very interesting. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys have any video requests, be sure to comment them down below because like I said, I gotta fill up my November schedule. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Bye.